This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, air conditioning, slide-out, stove top burner, DVD player, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is 7,306 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.